While trying to open the camera app in your iPhone, if you get this message, camera failed, then let us see what to do. The first thing what we will do is we will restart our device. Sometimes restarting the device fixes many of the minor issues. The next thing that you will do is switch off your phone, then remove the SIM card from the phone. After that, restart the phone, open the camera app and check if the camera app is working or not. If the camera app is working, then you can reinsert the SIM card again. Similarly, what you can do is while you are removing the SIM card, you can also remove the SD card and check if the camera app works or not. If the camera app works, then what you do is you reinsert your SIM card and SD card again. The other thing that we will do is we will go to settings, we will go to apps, scroll down, and then we will look for camera. Open it, go to this option storage, select clear cache, clear data. Okay, so what we have done is we have cleared the cache files and data for the camera application. Let's go back and tap on this force stop and then force stop. After that, we will go back, we will tap on this settings icon here for the camera, scroll down, and you can also select this option reset settings, reset. So this will reset these changes that you have done for the camera application. So once you have done these things, you have to restart your phone again and check if the camera app will work or not. Now if you have older devices where you can remove the battery, you can remove the battery and check. If you can remove the battery, then again reinsert the battery and check if the camera app will work or not. Now the last thing that we will do is we will just lock this phone. After that, what you do is you take your phone and you press on the screen of the phone like this one. So go on pressing on the all part of the screen, especially on the camera at the top here. Press with both of your fingers gently like this. So why we are doing this one is because if there is something loose connection inside, then when you are pressing, then this might do the trick. Similarly, we will go back. You can remove the case for your phone and then press it. Remove the case, press on the lens and the camera area here, press it gently, don't break the phone. After that, tap the phone like this one on your palm. So once you have done these things, check if the camera app works or not.